Hello and welcome to Records Rebuilds, and today we are finally going to be getting back to one of the most popular topics in channel history, and that is the C8 Z06. I bet you all thought that I had just given up on the car and slinked away to some dark corner of the internet. That's not true though. There had just been so many false starts with this car, and there have been so many more since I stopped talking about it that I felt like people were probably getting tired of that. But that's all over now, because the car has finally been built. It was built on June 4th. It is a Z06 with the Z07 package. Originally, I was number 237 at C8 Corvette in Atlantic City, New Jersey, one of the top Corvette dealers in the country. A dealer that generally sells over 1,000 Corvettes per year. And it has been slow going. In 4 more months, it will have been 3 years since I put my deposit down on this car, which is just crazy. I probably would not have put a deposit down if I had realized it was going to take this long. Of course, now the car is finally like everywhere, and I'm sure it's going to depreciate and drop like a rock as soon as I get a hold of it. But that doesn't matter, because I am super excited. We're excited about taking the car to Time Trials Nationals in October, and I thought I'd just fill you guys in over the next 2 weeks. Just really want to talk about the car and the experience of picking it up and all of that. Maybe in a few days we'll talk about what options we picked and stuff like that. So the car is coming soon, but I don't know exactly when. Originally, they said, you know, most cars are clearing quality control in about 2 days. And so they said, you know, schedule to pick it up at the museum about 2 weeks after it's built. I said, hey, how about I pick it up 4th of July weekend? And they were like, well, that's a month. Do you really want the car to sit outside for a month? And I was like, yeah, I don't care. I've waited long enough. I can wait a little longer. But unfortunately, the car has been in quality control hold for 21 days now. I've got till the end of this week, because the factory will be closed 4th of July week, and so my delivery is scheduled for the 6th of July, 4th of July weekend. I think it'll be just an awesome time to take delivery of the car, but that means it has to get released from quality control by the end of this week. So I can't imagine it gets pushed out more than a couple more weeks if I don't make it. So we'll just see what happens, but stay tuned right here. We're gonna be covering that whole process, and I think that's all I've got for right now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.